Hi, so today I want to share with you my first experience with manga or Japanese comic, if we can call that. So in this modern day era, when modern technology and social media, we seem to bombard it with a lot of entertainment program and we can seem to keep up with it. One of them is manga. But that is not a story of the early 2000s, because if you want to read the manga, you have to own a physical copy like this. And coincidentally, my aunt, who happened to be a big fan of this manga, and it's called Detective Conan. Detective Conan is so famous that now I don't think I have to explain the plot. So I remember the first memory that I read, she owned a volume 5 and volume 6, and this have a case of Conan being kidnapped, and it was very thrilling to read it. And I always think to myself that there is no way the story will end like this so soon. And little did we know, over 1,000 chapters, and we still don't know who stand behind the black organization. But come back to drawing, there is one character I always adore and want to create fan art from, and that is Aihabara. You may be asking why? Because I love her personality. She is leaving a big impression in me that she is the more mature in the Conan friend group. Later I find out that she is an adult and drinking the same kind of potion, shrinking potion. And the chapter when she fall down after on the rooftop to the chimney, how can she survive that? I don't know. But that is one reason. The second reason is Aihabara, or the character, the art style that this author have is very different from every other author, and it's very challenging to draw the character hair. And Aihabara, when I conquer it, I know that I overcome a challenge. You have to challenge yourself every day, you know. So that is it for today. If you have your first experience with manga or your favorite character at the early stage, please comment down below. And that's it for today. Hope you have a productive day, and thank you for watching.